Hello there, my name is Dominic and today I'll show you how to disable the IR remote controls on LG televisions. So this tutorial only works for infrared remote controls. Infrared remote controls use this light to communicate to the TV, so this won't work with magic remote controls. And another thing, this tutorial only works on digital televisions manufactured from 2014 and a select few digital televisions from 2013. This tutorial does not work on smart televisions because smart televisions use the magic remote control and this is a Bluetooth remote control. So this tutorial only works on digital televisions. I did a similar video whereby I showed you how to disable the physical buttons on LG televisions. So this is kind of a continuation. Press and hold the settings button until you see a change on the screen. You're going to press it for around 5 to 10 seconds. After you see a change, press the buttons 1, 1, 0, 5 and OK. And here we are in hotel mode. Enter into hotel mode setup and scroll down to key operation and enable that. And we have normal, block all and use power only. Let us start with use power only. You just select that, then you exit. Now, nothing will work on the remote control, no matter how much you press it. The only thing we can do is to switch off the TV using the power button. The TV is off and the TV is on again. And over here, you can see that the physical buttons are working. So I can enter into the settings using the physical buttons at the bottom of the TV. But I cannot continue the same using the remote control because this remote control is disabled. The other thing is block all. Now, when I select block all and I exit, none of the buttons on this remote control are going to work on this TV. And I just want to mention that it doesn't matter the shape of your remote control. It just needs to be an IR remote control. So no buttons will work on this TV. But the physical buttons on the TV will continue to work. To enable the remote control functionality again, press and hold the settings button until you see a change on the TV. After you see that change, press the buttons 1, 1, 0, 5 and OK. And here again we have hotel mode setup. Enter into hotel mode setup. Scroll down to key operation and IR operation and select normal. Now in normal mode, the remote control will work. You can see all the buttons are working fine. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.